is just a traffic rule. I break a lot of traffic rules, but everybody, well, all of us have our own annoyances with specific traffic rules. But for example, staying in the fast lane for no reason, I don't get it. I will never understand it. Alright, boys and girls, the adventure continues. Getting gas. It's still very cold. It's still 40 degrees something, but we are making progress. Only about 93 miles from home, which is great. Which is fucking great. And that's that. Oh, get back on a highway. Back roads are just too chilly. Too chilly. Maybe I need heated socks or something. You know, that's my only problem right now. My only cold area right now is my socks, which is kind of interesting. Here. Yeah, and it's now raining a little bit, a small drizzle. 41 degrees, feels like 34. That's my favorite car wash, with a slight drizzle. But we got our Gore-Tex Pro suit by Revit, Poseidon 3. Alright, we got 36 more miles until we get to the Bear Mountain turn, and temperatures should be increasing going forward. This is probably about as cold as it's gonna get for the rest of the day, so that's good. A little bit of rain never hurts anybody. 40-degree rain kind of sucks, I'll be honest. I'll be the first to admit it. Going 95 in a 40-degree rain, nah. But I tell you what, obviously I'm layered up to the moon, but the Gore-Tex is Gore-Texing, insulations are insulating. I'm just not happy about the rain. Not ideal. Oh, it's funny. That's the gas station I wanted. It's called Wolf Lake, exit 111. Good to know for the future. Not a big fan of this rain, but gotta push through. Oh, good. Adventure. This is what I wanted. I wanted an adventure. I got an adventure. Just when I thought it's just gonna be cold, it's also wet. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Look at this. It's traffic of cars. People suck. How are you gonna have traffic of cars in the rain? Amateurs. I guess people don't really know how to drive. They're nervous drivers. What are you fucking doing, you dickhead? Fucking prick. Okay. I guess this is what we're doing now. I guess this is how the cookies crumble. Fucking pricks. How do you have a fucking truck? What the fuck are you doing? Dumbass. I don't get it. People think, yeah, I am angry. I am riding pissed. That's fine. I am riding angry. There's no need to ride angry. There's no need for any of that. We're good. We're fucking lovely. I'm sorry, guys and girls. I am just a freak show. I'm lacking compassion for my fellow humans. But people are just so selfish. I mean, I don't know. I'm the worst of all. I'm the worst of all. I really am. Damn, 40 degrees, 41 degrees. Cold. It is indeed cold. But only on my feet and only on my hands. I need heated grips and I need heated socks. That'd be super cool. Less than 30 miles until the good old Bear Mountain. The Gore-Tex is Gore-Texing. I am certainly dry, but it's all good. This turn is a little complicated, especially with end of the lane and all these people here with no lights. How are you not gonna have fucking lights on? Here I am complaining again. Fucking assholes, like, what are you doing? Fucking pricks, why? Why are you in the fast lane as a slow fuck? Fucking watch your eyes, dickhead. Like, I don't get it. Why not be fucking nice to people and pull over to the side? You know what? It's just a traffic rule. I break a lot of traffic rules, but everybody, well, all of us have our own annoyances with specific traffic rules. But for example, staying in the fast lane for no reason, I don't get it. I will never understand it. Like, why? Why are you in the fast lane if you're going slow? That's right, dickhead. Look at all these people in the fast lane. don't like to pass in the fast lane. I think it's because people are just cruising, you know, you're in a car, you're listening to a podcast, you're just chilling, you're by yourself, you basically like are hanging out on your in your living room on a couch, nobody matters, like whatever, anything goes. And it's such a big pet peeve of mine, that specific thing, just that one thing. Obviously I have a lot of other annoyances, but that one is one of the main. Cops ahead, so we'll take it easy. Man, I'm a freak show. I need to I don't know what to do, dude. I think I need to hide in a cave or something. I am just a rotten individual, crazy and cranky for no reason. Crazy and cranky. Where's the cop? I don't see it. I don't see the cop. So fuck him then. Bag is still there. Good. I dig it.